Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. As you see, this is our breakfast. This is Sunday breakfast, okay? So we want to eat our egg sauce. This is our egg sauce and bread. So we have our tea here. So this is our tea.
Beautiful people, good morning. As you can see, we want to take our breakfast. So we have our bread and egg. So this is our tea. So join us as we'll be. Don't worry, she flat plate. Finish.
So this is our egg sauce with mackerel fish.
This is very nice. We'll be cutting the bread inside. Wow, so delicious.
Hey.
Manana, leave that paper.
This is our Sunday breakfast.
Hey, be
Manila
careful.
Majudan. Leave the paper.
Wow, beautiful people. Thank you for joining us.
We have butter in case Philip, if you don't want butter.
Just keep it there. Eat egg first. This breakfast is a light one. Unique. Is the bread too big? It. No, to get there.
Have you butter?
You want butter? Yeah, I'll give you butter. Wait, Shibi. This blue band. Yeah, take. Take. Take.
Semaphore.
Yeah, take. Eat that one first.
Butter.
Wow, this bread is very nice though. I like the butter bread. Philip, see your mouth too. See your mouth. There's a bread in your plate too. Leah. I like being at him. Please like, share, comment. This tea was locally produced by us. Watch out for our next video where we'll show you how we prepare this tea. This is cocoa tea. There's bread here.
Small.
I'm okay after this. And then we like the egg. This mackerel fish. So delicious. You want more butter?
My butter.
Take. Sorry. Manuela, are you sure you are eating bread? You are just licking all the old butter. Manuela. Okay, I didn't say that. Wow, this is so satisfying.
I will proceed. We are not eating our swallow.
This is breakfast.
This is our morning breakfast Sunday. Philip.
Wow, I'm okay. Wow. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
As you can see, we are through. Manuela and Philip, they are still eating. We are eating. Philip, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Subscribe. See you in our next video. Bye-bye.